Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create and set up an automatic announcement channel on Discord using Dinobot. Now, what this allows you to do is to automatically announce when someone joins or leaves the server, or any other announcements that you want. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to dino.gg. Now, in here, you're going to want to click on the top right, Add to Server. You want to make sure you're logged into your Discord account. Mine's automatically logged in. It'll pop up with this window. You're going to want to select the server you want to add Dinobot to. We'll select this server right here. Continue. And just make sure all these are turned on and authorize. Then go to the CAPTCHA. Now you're in the Dinobot dashboard, but you're going to want to switch over to your Discord server first. And you're going to want to make sure that you have a text channel that you can name anything you want, but I'm just going to name it Announcement. And we're just gonna create the channel, and you could have selected it to be a private channel so that only bots or moderators can type in it if you wanted that. However, I'm not going to bother because I am the only person on my Discord server. Now that you're in here, you're going to want to go to modules, and you want to go to announcements right here on the left. You want to select the channel announcement, and you want to create the join message that you want to send when someone joins your server. Now you can use their default one right here that says user has joined, and that is just a simple message that if someone joins your server, that message will be sent. However, you can also change it up to do anything you want using any of these variables. So if you want to say that it has joined server, and it will say that, let's say, user has joined Victor's test server, which is the name of my server. And you can also use any of these right here, or you can have it at the user, which is my preference. And you can also put this as a leave message, as left the server. Now there's lots of different ways that you can do this, and you can enable these messages to send as DMs, or you can do lots of different things with them. You do have to make sure that these two at the top are checked up, and you have to update after every change you make. And I'm not going to have a ban message for my server, but that's it. And if this worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.